In this video, I will show you how to fix the vgk.sys error when you try to launch Valorant or League of Legends on your Windows computer. This error often appears as a blue screen and is linked to a message that says systemthreadexception not handled. What that means is that a system thread caused an error and Windows could not handle it properly. This can happen for different reasons, such as a software conflict or a problem with Riot Vanguard, which is the anti-cheat system used by Riot Games. Let's go through several steps you can try to fix this problem. First, we will disable Fast Startup in Windows. To do that, click on the search bar in your taskbar and type Control Panel. When you see the Control Panel in the search results, click to open it. Once you are in the Control Panel, find the option that says View By in the top right corner. Click on it and choose Large Icons. Next, find and click on Power Options. On the left side of the window, click on Choose what the power buttons do. You will now see a section called Shutdown Settings. If you see an option that says Turn on Fast Startup and it is checked, you should uncheck it. But sometimes it is grayed out and you cannot change it right away. If that happens, click on the blue link above that says Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Now, you should be able to uncheck the Fast Startup option. After that, click Save Changes and close the window. Next, we will uninstall Riot Vanguard and reinstall it. This can fix problems with the anti-cheat system that may be causing the error. Go to the search bar again and type Add or Remove Programs. Click on the option that appears. Now, scroll through the list of installed programs. Find Riot Vanguard. When you see it, click on the three-dot icon next to it and select Uninstall. I currently don't have it installed. Once it is completely uninstalled, restart your computer. After the restart, open either Valorant or League of Legends. The Riot client will reinstall Vanguard automatically. Once it's reinstalled, restart your computer one more time and check if the error is gone. There is one more step we can try if the error still happens. Go to the search bar again and type CMD. You will see Command Prompt in the search results. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If a user account control message appears, click Yes. Now you need to enter a command in the command prompt window. I will leave this command in the description of the video so you can copy it easily. Once you copy the command, go to the top bar of the command prompt window. Right-click, choose Edit, then click on Paste. After that, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut to paste it. If it says that the operation completed successfully, that means the command worked. Close the command prompt window and restart your computer. Now try launching Valorant or League of Legends again and see if the error is fixed. So those are the steps you can follow to try and fix the vgk.sys blue screen error. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you solve the issue. Thanks for watching.